So today we're taking a look at a new device that Munbyn recently just come out with. Now they did send this out to me to try out and test. In exchange, I told them I'd give them a review on this product. So I've got this thing unboxed. I've kind of been running it through its paces to kind of get an idea of what this thing does. This model number on this particular device is the ACE-SCAN AS01. The primary function for this device is essentially going to be your barcode scanner. So if you work in a warehouse environment or maybe an event area where you guys are scanning tickets on entry, or even in like a nursing field, basically anywhere you need to scan a barcode, this little device is going to be perfect for you. Now what's also really cool about this device is it doubles as a phone. So essentially this is going to be running the Android 14 operating system, and then in the future when it does become available, you're going to be able to upgrade this to the Android 18 system when that comes out. Now when it comes to the specs on this little device, it does have 4 GB of RAM built into it, but that is upgradable as well if you decided you need to do so. Now I did mention that this doubles as a phone, so if you decide to use it for that feature, you'll need to have a SIM card available, which basically you'll just pop off the battery cover on this device. You'll pull out your battery, you can put your SIM card in. It's also got a TF card slot on there as well if you need that. So when I first got this thing out of the box, I went ahead and slapped the battery in it, threw it on the charger for about an hour, went ahead and topped off the battery, and then the rest of the setup took less than 5 minutes. Nothing too major. It's going to ask you the basic questions when you sign into any new phone or device for the first time, or you could skip those if you decide you don't want to put that on the device at that time. You can always go back and do that later. The battery itself is a 7,000 milliamp hour battery. It should give you around 16 hours of run life before you have to charge this device again. So essentially you could get through 2 8-hour shifts if you're going to be running this thing through multiple crews, and they could just charge the device on the off hours. 27 watts is the maximum it can charge at, so it does have the quick charging. Within an hour or two you'll have this thing completely charged up basically. So that's pretty handy as well. Now like, as I mentioned, this device does have the barcode scanner in it. It's a Zebra high-speed scanner, so essentially you can scan your barcodes pretty quickly, and I thought that was pretty cool. I've not got a lot of experience when it comes to the barcode scanning when it comes to these devices, but it is pretty neat that you can double these as a phone. So essentially my scenario that I was running in my head this would be good for is if you do have a warehouse employee, or if you're running like a small boutique store or something like that, you can set up a phone number on this, and then that employee could have this phone to answer as well as use it on their daily operations when they're scanning inventory. Maybe they're scanning inbound or outbound shipments, you name it. That's all going to be there. With it being an Android system as well, it's going to be able to download anything from the Google Play Store. So whatever inventory app that you're using in your environment, that's going to be what you download to this device. And all those apps are different, so you're going to have to reach out to that provider to figure out exactly how to set that up within this device. However, this is capable of batch scanning or continuous scanning items, so you can hold down your button and just go from item to item. And what's also really cool about that is you can scan from a little bit of a distance away. So I'll give you an idea of what that might look like. So if I take a barcode and I just scan it from here, you can see I don't have to be right up on that barcode there to be able to get that to scan. In fact, I can get it from a pretty good distance away, like so. So you can really fly through a number of barcodes pretty quickly and with ease if you needed to do it, which is going to just speed up your daily operations. Now when you get this out of the box, it does also come with the charging cable as well as the little power brick that you'll plug into the wall, and then you get a couple different straps like you see. I've got this one installed right now, so you can conveniently hold that on your hand like that. It also does come with a lanyard if you decided you wanted to go that route, and then they also give you a tempered glass like a Gorilla Glass to put on the top of your screen if you decided to want to use that just to protect your screen from day one. I thought that was kind of nice that they include all those features right there in the box, just so it's kind of a ready to go unit when you get it out and get it set up. But overall, after playing with this thing for a little bit, it's a pretty cool little dude. There's really no lag time at all. It runs just like my Samsung phone does at work that I use and operate on a daily basis. So if you find yourself in the market looking for a device like this where you can use it as a barcode scanner, but it also doubles as a phone, or you can download any of those applications from the Google Play Store that you might need to get through your daily operations at the same time, check out this little device, see if it might be a good fit for you. Other than that, I think that's all I've got for you in this video. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.